Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Audrey when she's still sweet and innocent from Descendants. Now, I did have to go based on Descendants 3 because she actually did change up her hair, change up her look, so it was fun. Honestly, I love what they did with Audrey in Descendants 3 because that was just so much fun. You can tell they were having fun with the character, so yeah. Um, I really do love this look, and I'm going to stop rambling so you can get to this video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already did prime and set my eyes. I did not do my brows because I'm going to be going in with a liquid later, so I don't want the powder to get into them. But for setting my brows, I did use Free Spirit from the Rustic Glam palette, and today we're using the Rustic Glam palette, which, I mean, this is just gorgeous. Ugh, I'm just looking at it, I'm like, it's so pretty. Okay, so for Audrey, I do want to do something different where instead of doing my usual thing where I'm going like color, 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 cut out really dark, same with the under eye. I'm gonna do something different. So what I'm going to start with is actually I'm going to start with fringe. Just place that high into the crease.
In the makeup world, it is just so beautiful. I'm applying it here with my IT Cosmetics blurring powder brush. This is one of the best bronzers that has ever existed in the face of the world. So good for the Doritos, the Cheetos, and the cupcakes down here. Yes, honey, get it. Ooh. Also, the lighting in here, I feel like is really off today. So if I look super like chalky or something, I'm not sure what that's all about. My monitor is giving me a little bit of a chalky look to it, and I can't tell if that's just the lighting in the monitor or if it's the actual lighting. So if I look a little crazy, I apologize. But guys, this bronzer, oh, so good. Now for blush, I'm also going to throw in one of my old favorite blush palettes of all time. This is from Hourglass. I told y'all, I went high-end today, honey. This is their little, what is this? The Ambient Lighting Blush Palette. And it has 3 different shades: Mood Exposure, Luminous Blush, and Surreal Glow. And one of my favorites was actually Mood Exposure. This one, oh my God, I think I even have this in a single pan. It is so beautiful. And I think I want to take that shade because it's here in Hello Why Not. I'm going to pop that on my little cheekies. And Hourglass blushes, oh my God, Hourglass powder in general is just so good. And over top of that, just a little bit here, I'm going to take the lightest shade on the end. I'm just going to pop that over top just for a little extra something for this.
Okay, now, so that was fringe. Now I'm going to dip into Dreamcatcher, which is a matte with like encapsulated glitter to help it blend a little bit better. So I don't know how well that's going to work. I'm going to place that on the outer third of the eye. Actually, we're going to go to about halfway with it. To go with the rest of the crease area, we're going to dip into Wallflower. So I did bring it down onto the lid just because there's not really like another pink I can go into, but I did want that bright color. So I'm going to take a different brush just to really focus that on the lid. Okay, so one thing I do want to say real quickly about this palette is these are noticeably more prone to kick up in the pan, but the blendability is really nice, so I'm okay with that. Now I'm going to go into Evil Eye and focus that on the outer third of the eye, just under Dreamcatcher. Okay, I know this looks very bright, but we're gonna real quickly blend the edges of everything so it does look smoother. I kind of want to use this rose gold pigment But instead, I'm actually going to take a Jeffree Star highlighter. This is Hypothermia. It's just from gold, I mean not gold, from tan to pink to blue, so. Here, let's turn off the light real quickly. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a halo, so start right in the center, just going up, and then packing that on top. So, real quickly, I'm going to go do this. Okay, so the tan base is definitely showing up more than I anticipated, so I'm going to real quickly go restart this and then choose a different color for the center of the eye. Okay, and we're back, and because I'm liking how this is just laying down now. By the way, whenever I did it this time, I did not go in with Dreamcatcher. So this is just Evil Eye, Wildflower, and Fringe. I think it looks a little bit better. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Crystal High highlighter, which I think I'm going to use this instead because that just looks a little more what I'm going for. So this time I'm not going to actually cut it, I'm just going to place it down. And this is more like a balm, so let's see how it works. I really like that. I'm gonna go do that on this eye off camera, come back with my full face on, and we'll be right back. Okay, and we're back, and my chair keeps sinking. It's sinking even faster today, I don't know why. I'm loving how this is looking. I'm feeling rather kind of bitchy, just have to be honest. But we're gonna continue on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I really want to take Moonchild and Gypsy and just like do like I did up top and down below. Which, you know what, I'm gonna do it after I scratch out the little bit of mascara. Actually, you know what, I had that line. I'm gonna take the same colors I used up top, but in the center I'm gonna put Gypsy instead. For the inner corner highlight, I will go in with Hypothermia. Actually, no, scratch that. We're gonna go with Crystal High. Because I just remembered Hypothermia is darker. Okay, so for the waterline, I'm actually gonna go into... This is Nude Beige by L'Oreal. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. And for lipsticks, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible lipstick. This is part of the Le Macaron, and this is the shade Framboise Frenzy. Going to let that dry real quickly. Then we're going to put on my gloss. By the way, I have to say that it's showing up more red than I intentioned it to be. But it's pretty. Okay, so I've had this on for about 2 minutes. It's finally dry. Now we're going to go on to a gloss, which will be Wet n Wild's Pisces. Okay, I'm gonna go set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Oh, and I have a little accessory for this too. That's gonna be fun. Okay, and here we are with the final look. This is so different for me, but I'm into it. And I said I had look accessory for it. I have been, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been into making crochet crowns. So I'm just like, I literally made this crown just for this look. And it doesn't want to sit on my hair. There we go. Kinda. And that's better. Anyway, I am loving how this looks. Okay, maybe not the crown right now. We're gonna take her off. But this is such a different type of look than what I would normally do. I don't normally do like the split in half and then something on the center. That's just not my usual thing, but I love how this looks. And the lip is a little bright. I wish I would have gone a little bit softer. Then again, I love how this topper looks on top of it, so it's just a lot of fun. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you like if you like this look, so if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time there's a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, except thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.